ध्यास दे, सामर्थ्य या शब्दाच्या आणि अर्थ या जगनास दे. जे सत्य सुंदर सर्वथा आजन्म त्याच्या ध्यास दे. तू बुद्धी दे, तू तेज दे, नवचेतना.
Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
So I would like to invite Nadia Tariq to deliver thought of the day to inspire us. Respected principal sir, teachers and all my dear friends. First of all, good morning to all of you. Today my topic is thoughts. Every morning is a new opportunity to do things you missed yesterday. Everybody wants to go to heaven, but nobody wants to die. All of us don't have an equal talent, but all of us have an equal opportunity to develop our talents. To succeed in your mission, you must have single-minded and devotion to your goal. Thank you. Have a nice day. By new vocabulary, it's time to build our vocabulary by learning new words. So I would like to invite Sadia for word of the day. A hope learning new information to provide some general knowledge. I would like to invite Mehroz to ask some questions.
I am Mehroz Gulziyat from class 9th B. Today I am here to ask some general knowledge questions. So my first question is, which was the first country to make and adopt a constitution? Which was the first country to make and adopt a constitution? USA is the right answer. My next question is, who is the father of our nation? Mahatma Gandhi is the right answer. My third question is, who is known as the father of Indian Constitution? Right answer. My fourth question is, India lies in which continent? Asia. Asia is the right answer. Who was the first woman judge of the High Court? Right answer. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Keeps you growing. So next I would like to invite Sarif for a topic. With great respect and profound regard, respected principal sir, teachers and my dear schoolmates, a very warm good morning to all of you. Today my topic is the art of believing in yourself. Have you ever thought, what do I really like? What do I want to do? What do I want to give my society or as an individual? So this is one question I would like everyone to ask yourself, what I am really good at as an individual, because we hardly think about ourselves but always contemplating on what others are going to think about us. And when it's come to the particular thought process, we are always there trying to impress others. But all of you, I would like to tell you all, what do you like? Have you ever thought about it? We are always worried to have to impress our friends more than trying to impress ourselves, because we should never forget that we are our own competitors. In one moment that we live, so we always think of different way, but sometimes putting ourselves on an edge when someone pushing you, that's when you realize realize your potential. In the beginning, I said we don't believing in your potentials. If you want to do something, up for it. If you want think a good at something, sharpen the talent that you have and polish the things that you are weak in. Because no one is perfect. It's practice, perseverance, and consistency that make a person a better human and a better version of who you were yesterday. As soon you move out of this school, out of these boundaries, what's gonna happen? You are gonna face the real world. So when a teacher asks you a question in your school, in your class, make sure that you answer. Give a wrong answer. It's always good to make mistake. Make many mistake you are inside, because once you move out of this side, this place, you will be challenged by the world. So do what you want. Do, because opportunity just knocks once. Grab that opportunity, go for it. Like, don't wait for tomorrow or don't wait for time when you will be perfect, because this is the moment we are going to live, and this is going to be remarkable one. For all of you, take chances, make the most out of the opportunities that you are given. The world has become a much easier place, but yet if we change our mindset, if we change the way we think and take everything as it comes, then it's going to be a very easy and a beautiful journey for you all, because it's all mind that makes it difficult. So don't underestimate the being that you are, because every day in this world is here with a mission, a vision. Thank you and have a nice day.
News makes us understand what is happening around us. So to enlighten us with current happening, I would like to invite Zahra for news.
Respected principal sir, teachers and all my dear friends. Today news is Indian Air Force IAF Corporal Vicky Pahade died in the ambush and 4 others personnel got injured when terrorists attacked in IAF convoy near Shasitar in Poonch on Saturday evening. Since the attack, armed forces have been carrying on a major search operation in the Shasitar area. They have pressed armed bulletproof vehicle and dog squad to track.
Life from the moment you born to the moment you die is a process of learning. So I would like to invite Zoya to deliver our topic on education.
Good morning everyone present over here. Today is Zoya Ikhlaq Chaudhary from class 9th B standing in front of you. Today I am here to present a speech on education and why it is important. Education plays a very important role in everyone's life. It is very necessary to live a great and better life. For that, it is very important to get a proper education. The word education not only means acquiring knowledge. The first objective of getting good education is to become a good citizen and then to become a successful person in personal and professional life. Good education will always increase our confidence level, and it helps us to determine what is right and what is. Education makes us the right, and the right education helps us to develop personality and earn recognition and respect in the family and society. Early education is an essential part of human life. In this competition is the most important thing. So never ignore the importance of education in life. At any cost in our society, a lot of social issues are happening, because of the lack of education. Social issues like inequality, gender discrimination, religious differences, child abuse, child labor, etc. If we are educated, it will help us to maintain personal and social standards in our daily life. We can acquire knowledge at any time. There is no age barrier for gaining knowledge. Education is the fundamental right of everyone. Education is the key to solve all the social, personal and professional problems of the people. Education is the most important tool that offers inner and outer strength to a person. If we are enriched with knowledge, we will be admired by all. Education is the most valuable treasure that will make you a successful human being. Thank you.
इंसान वही जो अपनी तकदीर बदल दे. कल क्या होगा कभी मत सोचो, क्या पता कल वक्त खुद अपनी तस्वीर बदल ले. A good teacher is like a candle. It consumes itself to light the way for others. So I would wholeheartedly welcoming our class teacher Neha ma'am on the dais. Ma'am, please come on the dais and motivate us from your golden words.
आज रास्ता बना लिया है, आज रास्ता बना लिया है, कल मंजिल भी मिल जाएगी। आज रास्ता बना लिया है, कल मंजिल भी मिल जाएगी। हौसलों से भरी ये कोशिश, हौसलों से भरी ये कोशिश एक दिन जरूर रंग लाएगी। Good morning, one and all present here. Students, today my motive of coming here is to tell you about positive mental attitude. So, लाइफ में आगे बढ़ने के साथ साथ प्रॉब्लम्स का आना तो कंपलसरी है, ठीक है। हर एक की जिंदगी में जब वो आगे बढ़ता है तो प्रॉब्लम्स आती हैं, लेकिन उन प्रॉब्लम्स को साथ में रख के दुनिया की वॉट लगा दे, ऐसा एटीट्यूड होना नेसेसरी है। सो लाइफ में कुछ भी इम्पॉसिबल नहीं होता। कोई भी चीज अगर आपके मन में कोई किसी चीज को पाने की इच्छा है तो ऐसा नहीं है कि आप उसको पूरा नहीं कर सकते हो, लेकिन पूरा करने के लिए आपके अंदर जोश होना चाहिए। हम वो हर काम कर सकते हैं, हम वो हर एक इच्छा पूरी कर सकते हैं जो हम सोचते हैं, जो हम सोच सकते हैं, और हम वो हर एक चीज सोच सकते हैं जिसे हमने कभी ना सोचा हो। सो अगर एक इंसान राइट मेंटल एटीट्यूड के साथ आगे बढ़ता है तो उसको अपना गोल अचीव करने से कोई नहीं रोक सकता। लेकिन अगर इसी के विपरीत देखें तो एक इंसान है, उसकी लाइफ में गोल तो है लेकिन सोच उसकी जो है वो नेगेटिव है, वो उसकी जो थिंकिंग है वो नेगेटिव है, नेगेटिव एटीट्यूड है, तो वो लेके वो कभी भी आगे नहीं बढ़ सकता है और इसमें उसका कोई भी साथ नहीं दे सकता है। सो स्टूडेंट्स, इफ यू हैव अ पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड देन यू कैन डील विथ ऑल स्ट्रेस एंड नेगेटिव सिचुएशन। सो always be positive and think positive. Thank you.